Sounds like you're on. That's your syncing up noise, isn't it?
Well, yeah. Yes, at least I got the Cardo and the Mic 3 charged.
Yep.
I'll pull over right there, out the way. Oh, that's good. He's going to bugger off, look.
Oh, Andy. I'll pull out as well then. I've had to open my vents up.
Right. Here we go.
If anyone says on your video that we make all this faff up, they want to slap round the back of their head.
I mean, there has been shitloads of faff because of the water that's got in and fucked all the electronics.
Yeah.
We all out?
We are, yes.
The national speed limit.
Oh! Let's have some. Yeah, so dry everything out when we get home in the airing cupboard. I've got to repair my waterproof case.
Straight over this roundabout.
Third exit. I've got Joe behind me.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
You're clear after that Skoda.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye. Oh, that's nice. Get some breeze. Never thought I'd be saying that this week.
I didn't even do my outside zip up. That's fine though, it's letting a nice breeze in. Oh bollocks, should have gone that way.
It'll catch
Fuck's
up.
sake. Too busy looking at me zip. Car in the hedge there, look.
Oh yeah. Probably telling me my indicators don't work.
1? What's he saying? 1?
Hey, I'll jump off.
I'll do me zip up.
All right.
What's up?
Joe's map didn't boot up. Right, we're all good to go. All I've got to do is pick this bike up now.
And I even got my jacket done up. Right, are we good?
We are.
Anything coming?
Right, on my
5
way.
motorcycle casualties in 3 years.
Like, 5 seems to be the average number, doesn't it?
But you know when you're on a good motorcycle road when it comes up with stats like that.
Yeah. Enjoy it, but don't be an idiot. I think that's what it's saying, isn't it?
Yes.
Not a beautiful view. Thing is, those that are going to speed are going to speed no matter what the bloody sign says, aren't they?
Yeah.
Well, at least we're all filled up and we're all good to get home on this tank full.
Yes. The old Bill.
Yeah.
He didn't fucking nod.
No.
He's on a what's name ride, isn't he?
Observed ride, or what they call it, isn't it?
Yeah. Bike safe. Shedner Road.
So glad it cleared up for today though. It was a nice end to the tour, isn't it?
Yeah, so it would have been nothing worse than getting home soaking wet as well.
Yeah. Always try to end on a high.
But as my missus ain't there to cry about it, what I'll do tonight is I'll put the heating on.
Oh.
It'll be red hot in there, but I'll put the heating on and I'll I'll hang all of those fucking cables over the radiators to dry them out properly.
Yeah.
Right, this is that bit where the road said it was going to be closed.
Right.
Now it's just said new road layout, it hasn't said road closed.
Yeah, okay.
I wonder if we might be alright. But if not, we go left through the village and then back out the other side. HS2. Fucking hell.
Like it's stereo.
What a fucking waste of money that was.
Cost billions more than it was supposed to, and they're still not going to finish it, are they?
I thought this government was going to write it off. Get rid of it.
Yeah. All jobs for the boys though. It ran over budget because they just keep paying each other more money, don't they?
Yeah, yeah. Look at it, look.
Yeah.
A Hare and Hounds.
Yeah. Good old classic name, isn't it? Politically wrong though, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're not allowed to do that anymore, but...
Look at that, look. Classic.
Yeah. Well, Joe, this is the Cotswolds.
I think it's criminal though that they've made all these roads 50 mile an hour.
Yeah.
You know, it begs a question, why?
Because all the rich gits that live around here with their Porsches and Lamborghinis were going too bloody fast.
That's all it is.
Us paupers with our little Fiestas, etc. and B-Maxes enjoyed the roads.
But yeah, this baffles me why this is 50.
They got the solid whites down there. That's all they need, isn't it?
Yeah, that's all they needed.
It's enough to tell you it's a bit of a dangerous road without penalising everyone. I'm starting to get the downers kick in. Closer we get to
what?
The downers kick in. Closer we get to home, the more I realise it's over.
Oh, smell.
Oh,
Fresh bread. Is there a Warburton's factory? I see a big Warburton's lorry.
Oh, that is gorgeous, isn't it? So you could see that from 100 yards, couldn't you? There's no doubt that that was female.
Yeah. Although we were out on the bike one day and John said, was it John or was it Ash? One of the two. God, look at the ass on this on the push bike. Long flowing hair. When we got alongside it was a bloke. Bloke with a fucking beard.
Well, I hope he took it for the team.
So we took the piss and he said, well, nice ass anyway.
Like my boss says, any hole's a goal.
Oh, fuck's sake, shall we? Oh, let's have a look. Let's see.
We'll go down there. I'm feeling lucky today.
Oh. Why is there an ambulance? So it says we can go up there. Oh, it says private road. We better go back to that fucking detour then.
Yeah, well, the ambulance can't get through, can he? So
unless there's some road run or cycle thing on and the ambulance is there on standby. Left turn up here.
Okay. Give me time to try and get the indicator working.
Down to the bottom and hang a left. That'll bring us on the main road where we couldn't get through that bit.
No, that's what you said last time. I'm just going to wait till we get there now. But why didn't it divert us on this road here instead of letting us go past and then come back through the estate?
God knows.
Surely
you'd have thought, put the sign back on that roundabout back where, and send us down this one.
On the main road so you don't have to annoy the residents.
And did
Well,
you
yeah.
know that this has got a hill start?
No. When did you
Kept
find?
that quiet, didn't I?
Yeah. When did you find that out then? Or did you know all along but just didn't bother telling us?
That fucking Ice Diddy bloke told me.
Ah.
If he hadn't have said, I wouldn't have even known.
He's a bloody nice bloke when he's not moaning.
I mean, as far as wankers go, he's a tosser, isn't he?
Yeah, he's a good wanker, isn't he? I'm just realising what I just said. He's a good wanker. No, I shouldn't say that because someone's going to say, how do you know? He would have enjoyed himself on this trip though, wouldn't he?
Yeah, he loved it. See, why the fuck is this 50 miles an hour? This pisses me off, no end.
Yeah. It's totally clear, no tight bends, wide carriageway.
You know, if you want to stop people overtaking in city places, fine, stick white lines.
Yeah. Oh look, they have.
But why? Why 50 miles an hour?
Or paint your bloody road signs so people can read them. That'd be a good start, wouldn't it?
Yeah. I mean, it's not even massively twisty with hidden dips, is it?
No. No, not like Fish Hill. That's a lovely hill, that is. That's up round this way, isn't it?
I mean, that road earlier with the real twisty bit, up and down, hidden dips, yeah, I get that.
Yeah.
But not that there.
There's no need for it, was there?
Oh, fuck me, we're coming into a 20 now.
Oh. Sure, I'll just get off and walk. And again, you know, if it's by a school, fine.
Yeah.
You know, but have interactive speed limit. You know, when the school's not there open, or they're not coming in and out, have a 30. But during school time, drop it down to 20.
See, they'll have the argument that they're protecting the villagers with reducing emissions by having lower speed.
We hate people, don't we? But I do like these gates to welcome you in and out of villages.
Yeah, well, it lets you know you're coming into one, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's like a big sign saying playtime. Lovely bend.
Yes, that's nice. Nice fucking sweeper. I say, black stripes matter.
Oh, hello. Hey Cardo, radio off.
Hey.
First one today. They were out for a play, weren't they? If we can park away from the pump so I can have a fag, that'll be lovely. There's some up by that Land Road, 4x4, sorry.
There it is. I'll back right in.
Not good, but good and not good stuff.
Sounds sweet.
Yeah. What have you got?
Steve.
How many of them you got left?
Loads. So what did you make of it?
Perfect. First tour. Fantastic.
Enjoyed it?
Tour de Faff. Enjoyed it 100%.
Brilliant.
And I'm glad to see that Alex got back safely and Ron has got back safely.
Yeah, Mr. COVID.
Yep. Yeah. I hope it isn't. I don't want that.
It was.
It was, yeah.
It
Was it
was.
COVID?
Yeah. He
COVID?
said he tested. He said it was COVID.
Well, I don't get it.
Hopefully we've got away with it.
Oh, well, he was in with Alex, wasn't he?
He was, yeah.
I wonder if Alex was on it.
So look,
Put it on your boat.
the three amigos. Time to split
There
up.
we are. Yeah. Not say so.
You need to change your battery.
I know. I did.
So my bike before it goes.
Take care.
That's done 1,000.
The dirty bye. Nice couple.
500 miles so far on that now.
Cool. Yeah, I've done
it was clean.
1,445 so far.
Have you got it dirty enough?
Yeah. It'll take me about an hour or two to clean that, I think. But it'll be alright once I get that. Oh, better take that off there actually. What about that?
What's that?
This here is engine recording.
Oh, the mic. Still recording.
The mic, yeah. Not now, it's not. Cleanest one of all.
Not on the back, she ain't that.
Look at the state of that.
Although, if you go through any speed cameras, you'll be alright.
Look at the state of it on the inside of them exhaust.
Sounds nice though, doesn't it? That's the nicest sounding one.
There's-
Yours is clean as a whistle,
There's
isn't
the old ditch pump. No, she's filthy.
it? Got any electrics left on it, Nige?
Look, you can't even see that that's carbon.
Is
That exhaust
carbon?
shield. But yeah, it is filthy.
But it's had a good run, isn't it?
Very
We
good
got
run, yeah.
a couple of hours to go to get home. Dirty girl.
A dirty bike's a happy bike.
Yes. But the main thing, ride safe and let us know when you get home.
Yeah, take care. We'll see you when I get back.
Cheers all. Bye bye.
Bye bye.